Very good evening, grade 11 and 12 ISC students. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter included in your board. And the chapter's title is Salvator. Very interesting chapter, amazing incidents. A chapter, Salvator, talks about a single character, that is Salvator himself. This title is actually the name of a boy. Usually what we see, that a chapter's title is based on some or the other meaning, whether it is related to animals, whether it is related to time, profession, career, etc., etc. But here, in case if you see this title is the name of a boy, Salvator. Look at Salvator. Such boys are called carefree. Such boys are very humble in nature, nature friendly, very lovable. Just with the help of this single picture, with the help of this single image, I quoted numerous vocabularies in front of you all. So my dear students, before I start this chapter, I would like to talk about the background of such chapters. And in the background, I would like to discuss a word that is very common among you people, very common, and that is, I know you people are smiling after reading this word. Everyone should read. Start reading this word. Oh my God, all heartbroken students. Oh ho ho. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Read it out.
True love.
True love.
True love. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice. True love. So ये बेचारे ट्रू लव में पड़ गए. Sorry to say, Salvator falls in true love with a girl. But does the world understand the meaning of this term true love? The answer is no. Remember this chapter will teach you one thing. If you are physically fit, then only you deserve to love. If you are rich, then only you deserve to love. If you are well settled and you are holding a very high position in life, then only you deserve to love. Otherwise, get out of the picture. And this is what happens with this poor guy. This is what happens with this poor guy, Salvator. He will be rejected by his lover. And you know why? This is so shocking. How can someone call this as true love when the girl left him just because he was suffering from a disease, a brain disease? Indirectly, we can also call that disease as homesickness. We would be discussing when I would be making you read out the explanation. So this is the tragedy that happens with Salvator in this chapter. He falls madly in true love with a girl. He goes and joins military services, and in return, what does he get? In return, he gets rejection. This is what he gets. He is rejected by that girl. Why? Because while performing the military services, he suffers from a brain disease. You can also call it as homesickness. He starts missing his lover and his parents and his carefree life. all of a sudden, he was disallowed to continue the military services. So do you think that a girl, after listening to this, should reject her lover all of a sudden? She did not even bother to talk to this boy, Salvatore. Why am I using this term boy? To talk to her true lover. She rejected him, did not even see his face when he returned to his village. And look at this poor Salvatore. He went to perform the military services only for that girl, because there was a tradition followed in the village that the boys will have to participate in the military services. Then only they can get married. Otherwise, he was living a very carefree life. The son of a fisherman. He also used to catch fish, dive in the pool, explore the nature. He was living very freely. And this is what he gets in return. So the first background that I mentioned is true love. You will come to understand the meaning of true love at every intervals in this chapter, my dear students. Now, second thing. Second theme related to the chapter, Salvatore. That is called I think so. I would pray to God that whatever number of years are yet to come in Tarun sir's life, please God help me to be kind. Please God help me to have this quality of goodness. Please God, I really beg and pray to God. But unfortunately, I am in such a cutthroat competition. I am in the 21st century. I am in the cutthroat competition. Money, material, investment, etc. is making me away from this quality of goodness. What the hell is this materialistic life for then? But this gentleman, salute. Today, Tarun sir will salute Salvatore. There is a reason behind it. He sacrificed. Salvatore is the perfect example of goodness, kindness. This quality is found in, I think so, few, or you can say that can be counted only on fingers. And Salvatore is one of them. In case if there are 10 fingers, then one would be Salvatore. Why does he carry the quality of goodness and kindness? I'll tell you. A girl, Asonta. What is the name of the girl?
Asonta.
Asonta. She is elder to Salvatore. She is ugly. She is elder. She is not that beautiful as the girl Salvatore was engaged with earlier. Neither Salvatore is in love with this girl. Then too, Salvatore marries her. Can anyone tell me why? Let's see. What perception do you people carry? Can anyone tell me why?
Because he was also kind-hearted.
In future, don't dare to unmute yourself in case if you are with your family members. Mind it. Mind it, students. When I'm teaching, I puff my lungs out for you people. Don't answer. Rubbish atmosphere. You think 12th ISC is just a game of a video game? Okay, class. So sorry for this aggression, but please behave. I'll tell you, I'm going to answer it. When it comes to the chapter Salvatore, why Salvatore is the perfect example of goodness. Because he marries that girl. Number one, why does he marry that girl? Reason why: he is a heartbroken man. A heartbroken man will never ever break others' heart. Last year, the students questioned me that, sir, by this he is spoiling his life. Yes, he has spoiled his life, but he will try to reconstruct it. He will try to reformulate everything. लेकिन किसी का बुरा नहीं चाहेगा वो. He will never think bad. He marries Asonta. He knew the pain of being rejected. He knew the pain of being rejected. Salute to this man. Salute to this man. So this is how Salvatore is the perfect example of goodness. So these are the two things that actually I have only explained you the background. Salvatore is young. Salvatore is a very free, carefree boy. He loves to move here and there. He loves to wander here and there. He keeps on exploring the nature. He catches fish along with his father. And you won't believe, at such a young age, he is acting as a father. I'll tell you how. He has 2 younger brothers. And you won't believe, he takes care of his younger brothers as a father. He takes care of them. He bathes them. Solid man, solid man. I can label this man in each and every manner: kind, humble, honest, carefree, heartful, brave, courageous, lovable, caring, guide. So I can label this man like anything. So this was just the background. Salvatore, in this chapter, you will find him that a boy of 15, a boy of only 15, who loves to enjoy on the beach. He loves to be on the sands, exploring the nature. Did he ever believe, did he ever think of being rejected by a girl? His entire life changes. His entire life changes. So now coming back to the title, Salvatore. The title is appropriate and meaningful because the entire chapter revolves around this 15-year-old boy, Salvatore. Unfortunately or fortunately, he falls in love with a girl. यहीं से सब गड़बड़ी हो गई. लाइफ बड़ी अच्छी चलती है लड़कों की, लेकिन गड़बड़ी कहां हो जाती है बताइए जरा. कहां गड़बड़ी हो जाती है? सब नहीं बताना है. अरे डोंट फील शाय, बोलिए. सैल्वाटोर की लाइफ कहां से गड़बड़ होने लगी?
When he had fallen.
आर्मी वाले.
अच्छा, आर्मी वाले समय. अब नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 11 स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन टू दिस वेरी केयरफुली. Salvatore, after falling in love with this girl, after this he joined military services, because unless and until he had not joined this military services, he could have never got this girl. So this was culture, this was a tradition being followed over there. And why did he fall ill? ये तो किसी ने मेरे से पूछा ही नहीं, मैं बताता हूं. Just because of thinking continuously, missing continuously about who missing his girlfriend, missing his parents, but he was missing his girlfriend the most. Go and read the chapter. You will find this line written separately that he was missing his girlfriend the most. And you won't believe when he came to know from his commander that you can leave, you are not eligible, you are not fit, physically fit for these services. Go, bye bye. You won't believe, rather than being sad, he feels happy. Why? Because he would be meeting his girl very soon. Nowhere it is written that he would be meeting his parents. तो मॉरल यही बताता है दैट ना तो गर्ल होती, ना तो वो दिमाग की बीमारी होती. ये देखो क्या सोच रहे हैं, ये देखो जरा, वाओ. ओहो, बड़ी देर से मैं बोल रहा हूं. चलो भाई स्टार्ट करते हैं. डाउट सेशन, ये कैसे हो सकता है? बैकग्राउंड बताया, टाइटल बताया, सैल्वाटोर के कैरेक्टर स्केच बताया. कम ऑन स्टूडेंट्स, कम इनटू द पिक्चर, रेज योर डाउट्स. ओहो, नो डाउट्स?
Sir,
Yes,
Sir,
please.
if he did not like Asuncha, why did he marry her?
Okay. Please read it out. Please read it out.
He did not want to break her heart as he was already heartbroken.
So the one whose heart is broken, he actually understands the pain. Salvatore understood the pain of being separated from loved ones. This is called respect. This is called quality of goodness. My God, where has his stomach disappeared? Malnourished Salvatore. Okay, sorry, it was a joke. Next doubt.
sir, before rejection, the girl loved her or not?
Before, yes. Good question. Absolutely correct. The girl loved Salvatore. They both were in love, but when she came to know that he is not physically fit, now I am going to tell you, see, what is this? ये क्या दिखाया जा रहा है? मैं बताता हूं इसको बीमारी थी क्या. I'll tell you. Yes, class 11 students, read it out because you will definitely get a question in your exam. Salvatore was suffering from rheumatism. You know why did I pause this video over here? Because rheumatism is a disease in which the body pains like hell. Limbs, they stop working. Limbs, they get numb and still. He had a lot of body pain, but he never ever complained it to anyone. This is the disease because of which he was asked to leave the military services. Many of them suffer from rheumatism. Pain in body, muscular pain, joint pain, pain in limbs. Yes, any other doubts or should I proceed? So, Salvatore, the title has been justified already. He had two younger brothers. He used to take care of them like a father. They were a very happy family. Salvatore was very close to his parents, specifically father. And one more vocabulary that I'm going to use for Salvatore is protective. Yes, he was protective. So title done. Now let's come to the list of characters. List of characters. Number one, Salvatore himself, a 15-year-old boy. Number two, his two younger brothers. Number two, his two younger brothers. And let's see in the video whether we would be getting the characters or not. Wait. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow, wow, Salvatore. Sorry to say, she is not trustworthy. She is not trustworthy. Look at the beautiful girl. Asanta does not. See, Asanta is a different girl. And this girl name is not mentioned in the chapter. Name is not mentioned in the chapter. He is Salvatore. She is only the girl, or you can call her beautiful girl. Asanta does not stand anywhere in front of this beautiful girl. Then too, Salvatore accepted her. Character number 4 of this girl, selfish, can never be called as a true lover. She played with the sentiments and feelings of Salvatore. She did not even come to receive Salvatore at the station. So this is character number 4. आगे चलते हैं. Let's see other characters. Salvatore receives a letter to join the military service. Okay. So smart. So this is Salvatore has already joined military services. He also travels to various countries. He has joined the Navy. Navy means sailing by ship. Navy means sailing by ship. Everyone should know this. First of all, he had joined the navy of King Victor Emmanuel. Like for example, in India, we have Punjab Regiment, Sikh Regiment, Gorkha Regiment. In the similar manner, these English people have navy of King Victor Emmanuel. And his profession was a sailor. Salvatore's profession was a sailor. He visits various countries, he travels to various countries, but he seriously falls ill. Where? In China. Look at this China. हर जगह चाइना ने ही नाक में दम करके रखा है. Look at his. See, he is thinking of the memories of Grand Marine, where the girl used to live. He is thinking of the same islands where he used to spend time. And in China, he falls ill. Wow. In China, Salvatore seriously falls ill. So the 5th character is of Salvatore's parents, who were very supportive, who were very caring. Salvatore's mother had seen and met Asanta in a village fair. There, Asanta had seen Salvatore and fallen in love with him at first sight. So parents ने बोला, आप देखिए कितनी रिस्पेक्ट Salvatore करता है पेरेंट्स की. पेरेंट्स ने बोला नहीं कि Salvatore ने ना नहीं कहा. His mother told him that Asanta loves you. At first he rejected her, but then he realized the pain of being rejected. Rheumatism. This is called rheumatism. He is about to leave the services now. Why will he leave? Sorry to say. Why will he leave? Now when he returns to Naples. Where is Naples? Tempest बताइए जरा, वेयर इज नेपल्स?
So France, England
अच्छा,
after France.
अच्छा बेटा, नेपल्स इज इन फ्रांस। वाह
Sir,
वाह वाह।
Italy, sir, Italy, sir, Italy, Italy.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, no problem. Naples is in Italy. Wow. Why are his parents depressed? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, because
So
of
because he has fallen ill.
He's fallen ill. Okay, okay, okay. One reason accepted. Second, major reason.
Because they know that he is rejected by the person, girl he loved.
Absolutely correct. Father, mother, they both know that their son will feel very sad after knowing that neither the girl nor her parents have come to receive him. And he was so happy to return because he would be seeing the girl. You won't believe. Salute to Salvatore. When Salvatore goes to the girl's house, the girl's mother straight away asks him to leave because he was physically unfit for military services and he is suffering from rheumatism. You won't believe, Salvatore does not revolt. Salvatore does not revert. He does not utter a single word and he comes back. So these are, he missed them like anything, Salvatore. Now he's going to the, they both reject him. I'm so sorry to say, they both reject him. Another character. This is, I have already discussed this character. The beautiful girl, very selfish. Once she comes to know about the sickness of Salvatore, she rejects him. And look at her mother. She behaves so rudely with Salvatore. She behaves very rudely with Salvatore and asks him to leave. So कितने characters हो गए? Salvatore, girl, father, mother, two younger brothers, girl's mother. Let's see, where is Asonta and how does she look? He does not utter a single word. This is called respect towards women. Awesome work, Salvatore, awesome work. Doctors declared that Salvatore is unfit to continue the military services. And look at her. Heartless girl. Heartless. Rather, she had to hug him and salute him. She says, her father will never allow to marry such a person who made an exit in between the military services. Salvatore still, he knows that life goes on. He knows that life goes on. Here comes. Wait. Here comes Asonta. She is not at all beautiful as compared to that girl. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Boys, is she beautiful?
No.
No, sir. अच्छा, वो कहावत है
Sir,
ना,
everyone in this world is beautiful.
नहीं, वो कहावत है ना, ये देखो मैं क्या लिखने जा रहा हूं, ठीक है? ये देखो क्या सुन ये बच्चे, I can read personalities. हाँ भाई, the picture that in the video actually shows that she is beautiful, but she was first of all older than Salvatore. She was older than Salvatore and she did not look good. So we have done the title, we have done the theme, we have done the number of characters along with major points covered today. Along with major points covered today. So my dear students, see you after 3 minutes. Once again, I would be teaching proposal writing. I would be teaching proposal writing. After 3 minutes, you can re-log in. Thank you so much, all of you.